what's up you guys? I'm here to review the Miele bag canister vacuum. This vacuum is the complete C3 Calolima Power Light canister vacuum. I absolutely love this vacuum. I have probably had it 8 to 10 years. I know I've had it before my children were born and one's 11. So I absolutely love this vacuum. It's part of me. I use it pretty much every day or every other day. I have a house full of boys and dogs and a cat and a husband who make a lot of mess. This vacuum is my go-to. Like I showed you, it is lightweight, carrying it with my left arm. It has 2 different heads, one for hardwood floors. This is the Parquet, excuse me, for hard floors, for tile, for laminate, for wood floors. The brush does not scratch up your floors. It will protect them. It also gets, the handle gets rather flat, as you can tell, pretty much at a 90-degree angle. You can get underneath beds, underneath furniture, couches, all those hard to reach spots. The other head is a turbo brush for your area rugs. Snaps right in. And this one you can kind of change how much suction you want, if you need less or more on the rugs, because depending on the height of your rugs, you might need to change this. The other part I love about this vacuum is it has a HEPA filter, which if you're like me, I have a child with severe allergies, and the HEPA filter filters out all the bad stuff. It doesn't blow it back into your home. It has a bag that you can change out, easy peasy. And also there are multiple heads that you can use. I love this one for my couch. And then if you're like me too, trying to clean out the laundry or the dryer, this is the perfect head for that, getting in those little hard spots, nice and thin. And then there's a brush, which is perfect for your blinds, windows, that sort of thing. I'm gonna show you real quick that this vacuum is not loud either. My husband works night shift, and I can vacuum while he sleeps. So, I also like hitting around my baseboard with this head. It's the perfect, I get the perfect angle to hit my dirty white baseboard. So, if you need a vacuum that will last a long time, and yes, this vacuum is an investment for you, but like I said, I've had it for probably 8 to 10 years and I haven't had any issues. So like I said, if you need a vacuum for that house that has kids and animals, that's gonna last you a long time and be an investment for you and your family, the Miele bagged canister vacuum, I promise you, you will not regret it.